Hello, I want to talk to you about the latest and greatest thing in gardening innovation. You've probably seen it on TV. It's the flexible garden hose. There's a lot of different brands out there, the flex hose, the pocket hose, the flexible hose. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot more brands in years to come because this thing is really catching on. But what got me wondering about it is, that looks convenient, it looks really cool on TV, but does it really work? So I bought one, and now I'm going to tell you how it works. The quick answers to some of these questions are yes, it actually does work. It expands. It's about 20 foot long when you start. This is the 50 foot long hose, so they make a 25 foot one also. It's a little bit shorter, of course, but the 50 foot long hose starts out about 20 feet long. As soon as you put the water in it, it expands rapidly. I'm going to show you that in just a second. The cool thing about it is this is a 50 foot hose and it weighs less than a pound. I mean, it's just incredibly lightweight. You can put it anywhere. You can't quite put it in your pocket like some of those commercials, but you really can put it anywhere. And I have a 50 foot construction grade hose and it weighs probably 16 pounds by itself. This thing is incredibly lightweight. It's pretty durable. The ends are plastic, so maybe they should be brass, but so far no problems with that. So I think you're going to want to see this in action. I'll show you that right now. The water pressure is really good. It's about the equivalent of any other water hose I have. So let's take a look at it. Okay, let's see it in action. As you can see, it has really good water pressure. It stays expanded. You do have to keep an end on this, otherwise it will start shrinking, but that's no big deal. It takes any end that a normal hose would. One thing that's really neat is if you try to kink it off, it really doesn't kink off like a normal hose. It's still flexible, it's still lightweight. All in all, I would say this is a great product, and if you're into gardening, you have a friend that's into gardening, get them one, get one for yourself. It's just a really neat product.